This is a very nice house, and you know that this house is now for sale. Well, in this video, samahan niyo pa ako at pakita ko sa inyo ang pinakamagandang bahay na Victoria model house. Watch this. Good morning everyone. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Andal Grand Village and Anyana. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Forbes ng Andal Grand Village and featuring you with this very nice and very massive Victoria model house ng Andal Grand Village. Do you know that this house is located and situated in a corner lot with the lot area of 287 square meters? And of course, this massive house has 4 rooms and 2 car garage, and since the house is very big, now it can accommodate large people. And of course, meron pa siya ditong space lot which may maganda siyang potential for a lap pool. Well, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel at hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share and comment. And of course, the purpose of this video is to aware all the buyers ng Andal and Anyana, lalo na dito sa kanilang biniling property, and of course to those na gustong bumili ng property dito sa Andal Grand Village and Anyana. These are the sample units, and of course para doon sa mga hindi nakauwi because of the pandemic, this video is para sa iyo, para hindi ka mahirapan pang tumingin at umuwi kasi medyo mas mahal ang bayad sa airline. Well, request ka lang ng video at this is a requested video ng ating client. Feature natin yung Victoria model house. Well, this Victoria model house situated in a corner lot with a lot area of 287 square meters with a floor area of 215. So it has 4 rooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. Well, alright, no? Samahan niyo po ako. So this is your car garage area. So the Grand Forbes is the smallest cut or the smallest cluster ng Andal Grand Village with the lot size of 8 hectares and with a number of 245 units. So pinakamaliit, the smallest cut here is 192 square meters and the largest cut here is 365 square meters. This different because dito sa Andal Grand Village Grand Forbes is may sarili kang swimming pool, basketball court, tennis court with the common areas, and pinakamaganda is the facing the main road. Look at that, no? Meron pong dumadaan ng mga vehicles. Alright guys, no? Ikutan natin po itong bahay na ito. So dito sa side, ito yung pinakalanay area mo which pwede mo siyang i-improve later on at lagyan mo siya ng fence for your privacy. And alam nyo ba, ang bawat room nito sa second floor ay meron kang access for the balcony? Well, isa-isahin po natin yan guys. Video ito, makakatulong ito para sa iyo. And of course, kung gusto mo magpagawa ng sarili mong bahay guys, manood ko lang ng video nito, makakakuha ka ng madaming design. Well, alright. So upon entering the house, you will welcome this very nice steps. And with this very large main door. Okay, check natin. Wow, nice. Wow, this is your foyer. Wherein the house is high ceiling. Look at this. Wow. It's a massive house with a floor area of 215 square meters. So this is your ground floor area which makikita mo yung ating pinaka-flooring area dito is naka-design na siya guys. Look at your flooring. It's massive, it's nice, and very elegant. And of course, look at the stairs going up. Then, isa-isahin natin yan siya. And you have this very large dining area. And of course, you have this accent. Actually po, may mga lights in siya at very impressive yan siya sa gabi. And look at your ceiling. It's a nice ceiling. This house is very classic. And it's Victorian. Right, so this is your kitchen area. Wow, the kitchen is so big. And it has the outlets and the aircon. So anything inside the house is included in the sale. Alright, so dito po sa ibaba, meron kang isang common CR, which is this one. Wow, like it. It's a nice house. Look at this. Okay? Alright, out no kay Ma'am Nancy Francis at kay Ma'am Catherine Javier ng Canada, yung mga clients natin sila guys. And shout out din po dito sa ating mga lot owner dito po sa Andal Grand Village kay Maricel Lola. And shout out din kay Ma'am Connie Igalinos, lot owners natin dito po sa Anya na Andal Tansa. And sa lahat ng aming lot owners dito po sa Andal Grand Village, shout out po sa inyong lahat. And welcome sa aking YouTube channel. And to those na gustong bumili ng property dito sa Andal Grand Village at naghahanap pa kayo ng ready for occupancy, well, this house is for you. Okay. So dito po sa ibaba, mayroon ka isang storage area where the house is nice. So this is just one of our model houses. Actually, dito sa Andal Grand Village, we have 20 plus model units. And lahat yun is mga single houses. No? Wala tayong townhouses. And of course, we offer lot only. And kung may kakilala kayong mga engineers, contractors, and architect, pwede kayo magpagawa ng sarili niyong design. Okay? Check natin po sa second floor. Wow, ang ganda dito kasi malamig, no? So, ang ating steps is wood plank at may design po siyang napaka-nice. At alam niyo ba, sa gilid nito may mga ilaw siya. Ayan siya, guys. Alright, no? Okay, samahan niyo po ako, akyatin natin sa itaas. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata, oro, plata. Wow, it's a silver. And then look at this. Ang ganda, no? Nakita niyo po? Wow. Okay, so pwede niyo pong kopyahin yung design na ito sa inyo pong mga tahanan. At pwede niyo rin siyang bilhin na rin itong bahay na ito. Guys, kung naghanap kayo ng ready homes, well, this is very perfect house for you. At saka ang ganda. At saka lapit lang nito sa Maynila. No, it's just 15 to 20 minutes drive lang po siya. Okay, so this is the bedroom 1. The bedroom 1 is very spacious with a high ceiling and it has built-in cabinet and of course it has balcony, no? This is a private car balcony. Ayan, look at this guy. Ayan. Okay. Ganda rin, no? Then, let's check the second room. Wow. Nice. It's nice house. Wow. Ganda, no? The same po ang size natin yan. And, look at the cabinet. And it has aircon split type already. And yung flooring natin dito po sa itaas is this vinyl. Laminated. Ang ganda. And dito po, meron kang hallway going to the master's bed. This is the master's bedroom. Wow, it's nice. Wow, ang ganda. Laki ng master's bed. And, of course, dito sa master's bedroom, meron kang look at this. Walk-in closet. Nice, no? It's nice. And dito sa master's bedroom, mayroon kang sariling toilet and bath. Look at this. Ang ganda. Mayroon kang bathtub. Uwak. Ang ganda po ng area na to, guys. So, mayroon kang bathtub area here. Ayan po. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Right. So, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos kasi what makes this special, this model house, no? This Victorian model house, meron po itong napakagandang balcony area which papunta siya sa master's bedroom. Alright, samahan niyo po ako. Yes, no? Ayan, ang ganda. And of course, mayroon ka dito isang cabinet. Daming pera. Oh, wow, ganda. Pati yung yan guys, oh, malambot lang siyang Malambot lang siya kasi ang ginamit dito roller na siya. Ayan. Ayan, malambot siyang hatakin. Ayan. Mayroon siyang roller. So, pwede kong gumawa kayo ganito. Ayan o, ang ganda. Okay, then ito po. Check natin yung balcony. Wow. This is the balcony ng Victoria model, no? Wow. It's nice. Wow. It's perfectly designed, no? Ang ganda ng bahay, guys. Well, dito po sa Grand Forbes, meron pa po tayong 5 lots na for sale. At kung may kakilala kayong mga engineers, contractors, and architect, pwede kayo magpagawa ng sariling design. And of course, manood lang kayo ng video na ito, guys. At kung may lupa kayo sa probinsya, kopyahin nyo lang yung design na ito. At kung paano nila ginawa, well, makakatulong yan sa iyo. And of course, kung taga-province kayo at gusto nyo man po may investment dito sa Manila area, which is napakalapit lang sa Manila, bili kayo ng property dito sa Cavite kasi napakaganda po ng opportunity dito, guys. And of course, may good news tayo ngayon, guys, no? From Cavite Extol, papuntang Noveleta, well, walang bayad. So, hindi ka nadadaan ng Centennial Road. Kasi from Cavite Extol, papuntang Noveleta, iikot po siya. 15 minutes lang siya, guys. No, mas malapit, 15 minutes o 5 minutes. Mas malapit, mas mabilis ka makakarating ng Maynila pagdadaan ka ng Noveleta. Alright, if you are interested, no, dito sa unit na ito, guys, message lang po kayo sa akin, sa aking Viber or WhatsApp or email me or take action dito sa ating community. Message lang po kayo at bibigyan ko kayo ng quotation nito right away. Alright? So once again, my name is Ray Miliada at kung nagustuhan mo po na yung atin pong video na ito, guys, so please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it to your friends, lalo na sa mga kamag-anak nyo nasa abroad. Thank you so much and God bless us all.